If you're African, nothing prepares you for what you're about to see. This will shock you, I promise. When you hear the word Tanzania, many things will come to your mind. Mount Kilimanjaro, the tallest mountain in Africa, the mighty Serengeti or Mikumi Animal Reserve, some of the most beautiful safari destinations in Africa, the magical Zanzibar or the fish of Lake Tanganyika, and the mouth-watering Swahili cuisine if you love tourism. If you're into politics, the charisma, the wits, and the Pan-African vision of Mwalimu Julius Nyerere, the founding father of the nation. The resolve, the experience, the workmanship and humor of the late President John Magufuli. You will think of Mama Samia Suluhu, one of the few gallant women to occupy the office of the head of state in Africa, following in the footsteps of the likes of Ellen Johnson of Liberia. And of course, there's that beautiful melodious national anthem. What comes to mind is the ever-animated Diamond Platinums and the Bongo Flava and the rousing support for Simba or Yanga soccer teams. What will not come to your mind, however, is the story I'm about to show you next. A certain day in May 2025, in the wee hours of a chilly morning in Tandahimba, Mtwara region in South Tanzania, the whole town erupts in a cacophonious shouts and screams and whistles. The ever disorderly border borders or motorbike taxis are seen meandering carelessly and aimlessly with non-stop honking. In this location, passenger buses are leaving the bus terminal in some kind of a rush. One bus in particular, this green bus, leaves the terminal but suddenly stops right at the epicenter of the noise and confusion. More cheering, more shouting, more dancing. They all look happy, very happy. This one brings his pressure washer and splashes water on the bus. But what's going on? What is so special about this bus? Now, this is what will surprise you. It is not the bus, but who is in the bus. And to be specific, the driver of the bus. You see, all these people, all these celebrations, all these vibes and cheering, these were town people who came out to show their love and support for a young man who just got hired by this bus company. They are celebrating because one of their own is leaving unemployment, and they are wishing him success and Godspeed as he embarks on his new journey, literally. Tell me this does not warm your heart, because the first time I saw this, I teared up. I know, I'm very gooey, that's me. You see, Africans are not used to celebrating other people's wins. In fact, most people will do anything to sabotage your path to progress and success. But not these Tanzanians from Mtwara. And this is the kind of mindset we need. And of course, this story will not be complete without Bongo people being Bongo people. You see this dude here? He took a break from the celebration to ask his friend if he can spare 1,000 Tanzania shillings for him. That's about $0.5. Well, a man has got to do what a man has got to do, no? Here's my takeaway from the story. Number one, be kind to people, live well with people. They will celebrate your success with you, and they will mourn your loss with you. Number two, work on yourself. Make sure you are marketable and employable. You see, this young man was unemployed, but not unemployable. Number three, this is to the governments and private sector. There are good young men and women out there. Please make a plan to employ them. As you can see, some of these young men and women carry the hope of their whole community with them. Number four, this is for you who is watching. Stop your jealousy. Celebrate people when they win. Your time will come. You will also be celebrated. And lastly, stop being stingy with your subscription. Subscribe to this channel because, as you can see, we are all good vibes. Thank you so much for watching Winning Mind, the program. My name is JFK. Until I see you again in the next video, bye bye.